It's after me again. The evil that has followed me so long. Oh my God! All these years.
I've got to run away. Oh, I've got to run.
It's after me!
I've got to go to the home of my good pal.
Bam, bam, bam. What the hell is that? Watching the Met game and this is what happened. Hey, who the hell is this old fruit? What's wrong with you, old man?
You gotta help me.
What's your problem?
You gotta help me. I'm dying. And this is a map of the Wraith, the treasure.
What? What is it? What?
The Wraith, the treasure.
What? What? Why, it looks like a map. The old man dies in terror. I've discovered that this map is the secret to a treasure lying in the hidden Arctic. There are certain symbols here that I don't understand, but this is what's important, the treasure. The treasure. The X marks the spot, as they say.
Yeah, sounds interesting.
One for all, one for one.
Yeah.
And oh, we must trudge. Those staffs!
I think this is part of the map.
Yes, it is part of the map. Take one.
They're a good talisman.
Talisman?
What the heck is this? I don't believe in none of that voodoo.
I want the money. Oh.
Ooh, it's cold here.
Let's get a scarf. Customers are all mine. None of you.
Chop off your head and have it for breakfast.
It's getting so cold here.
Look.
What the hell is that? Oh! More customers for the...
Oh, let's get out of here.
Run!
Let's get out.
Should have kept this talisman.
Quick,
Into this house.
Yeah, this looks like a safe refuge. Let's go.
Let's go.
This brandy is delicious. Oh, visitors. Oh. Ooh. Well.
It's not what I've heard tale about.
Welcome.
What a filthy slut. Look at those gyrations
the goods, honey. Oh, care for
She hasn't
some
shaved in days.
fruit, my dear, that's delicious and succulent.
Well, I haven't had any in months, though. Might as well.
I bid you welcome. Come into my parlor.
Gets lonely here in the Arctic. And so this hunk of female is mine.
I want her too. I'll take her next.
Just a minute while I fix my
hair.
Oh.
She's transformed! Look at this hideous creature that's turned into. Why, she's brandishing a sword!
My first victim. I slay thee. I slay thee. Now, your next, young one.
I will conquer thee, ye slut. Battle on, and let no one stay home.
You. Yes, it does.
Clink,
I have a good batter of the sword.
What is your last slut, you?
You're gonna get it if I ever got it before. You're gonna get it now.
Get it in your slutty heart.
Oh, hey, you overpowered me. Oh, right in the
Take that.
epiglottis. Oh, my pineapple and I wish you death. Death. Oh.
Terrible. Absolutely.
Thank God for this talisman.
Next later in the office
Contact this
McGraw!
Gonna check out the inventory and see how many washes we need.
Yeah.
Oh, Dick!
Oh, you look so tired. What's the matter, my son?
It's horrible.
Well, what's going on?
Death.
What is
Death
this?
lies here.
What is it? What? This is the Wraith map. I've heard of this. This has untold treasures. You know what this means?
That's what it's got.
Money, Billy's.
No.
We've got to look for it. We've got to go out there now.
No.
Out forward
You
we
have a
must
big
go.
scarf, Dick?
Forward. Yeah, well, that's better.
Oh,